So in my previous video I have explained to give you guys what I'm doing. Now I will continue on with the API server configuration. So the point is that we have to set up like this earlier, but I will go with you guys through documentation again. So I navigate here in this URL. I think I get it from this this hyperlink. So when you click on this one, you basically will get navigated to this page. So the point that I will just go through each of these line to see if I need that. So the first one is admission control config file. I don't know what is admission control configuration. So if you looking at this up, I guess it will give you some kind of idea. So an admission controllers is a piece of code that intercepts the request to the Kubernetes API server prior to proceeding to object. Okay, it's still not making me a lot of sense. So you have some kind of namespace, lifecycle, and limit ranger. I honestly not sure what the hell is this one, but we can see a lot of things here. We have service account, runtime class, standard by condition, and things like that. I think you have some kind of some add-on, some rules for API servers. I think so, but I think we go on this detail later. It's a kind of a bit too detailed to go in, so I will skip this for now. Let's go for next thing. So IP advertise address. This is the IP address on which to advertise the API server to member of cluster. So it's basically its address where other node can reach to it. So I think every time you initiate a cluster, you run it on the at least a node. You have to run it somewhere, right? So API address now is the first node I'm running. So it will be master one. I'm not sure about the second node. That's something else. We will talk about the second node later on. But the advertise address, I guess it will be my public domain here. So just go with it for now, I think. Okay. So if by address is not specified, the host default interface will the host which is the place I run the command. So the first address will be some kind of if I go to my home servers and I run config, you will see my I'm not sure, I don't know what the hell is this one, to be honest with you. Okay, so you know what, let's just skip for now. But this is the IP address of the I think it's the default one. Okay, let's just go with the next one. So my setup right now, I use advertise address, which is my domain name. So let's skip this for now. I don't really want to care about this one a lot because this one I turned is true and this one is true as well. API audience, identifier of the API, so service account token authenticator. We validate the token used against the API. Okay, I don't care about this one. Let's keep all audit logs for now because we want to have the software running. So let's just skip this for now. Skip all the audit authentication token webhook. We don't care about token or authorization or any kind. Just keep it for now. It's a long address. So the bar address as well. Maybe we just keep it for now as well. So the cloud things, your ORS default things, we don't really want to watch it for now. Disable metric, egress selector, and things like that. We skip it for now. All the enable garbage collectors and bootstrap token. So it's some kind of, I'm not sure. Just keep it for now. ATCD, CA5, we don't care about that. Let's keep it for now. And let's go down. Yeah, so all the Kubeadm certificate, we don't care about the certificate of everything, including Kubeadm. The service node part. Okay, so the master service. You, I think I will use the cluster IP for now. I'm not sure how can I reach this one, but I will skip this for now. But I will just put in the extra one, and it should be commented. So if not, I'm honestly not sure, you know. So the service, the master service, okay. I would choose some kind of okay, that's good for now. Um, Log formatting, master namespace. I don't really care about namespace. It's deprecated, so we don't care about it. OIC, OIDC, we don't care about OIDC. Permit address sharing, what is the hell is that? I don't think it's necessary for now. Um, yeah, so let's just go down really quick. Runtime config, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine. You show the build APIs. I think we go with both API, alpha and beta. Okay, the secure part, yeah, it obviously it's obviously 6443, so I don't think that we need to change this for now. Yeah, I'm not sure if I need to change this anytime soon, but let's just put it this for now. um, so the service account extend token, okay, we don't care about this one, the service account stop. Okay, so here um, the things I'm trying to understand, the service cluster IP range. My confuse, I would confuse with other networking like port subnet and service subnet. I'm honestly what don't understand what is it. So service cluster IP range, I honestly not sure 100%. So what I will do is I will just look it up. So it said service cluster IP range. This is the virtual IP addresses, virtual IP address that will be assigned to services created on Kubernetes. By default, the service cluster IP range will be is 10.34.43.00 slash 16. If you change this value, it must be set with the same value in Kubernetes API server. So, you know, let's just read this one to be a bit detailed. So, okay. So service cluster IP, I think it will be the same range with the service subnet. I think so, but it does mention that it should not overlap with node or port. So that's why I think somehow I need to have the same values. I think it's have somehow it needs to be the same value with the subnet here. So let's just put it here for now. Okay, so the second one is service node branch. We don't care about this one. Shutdown delay, storage backend, etc. Obviously, etc. Obviously, TLS token outs file string. We don't really care about this one, and the version numbers. Um, that's it. I think that's good for this video. I think we probably go through all of the uh, the values, I think, the values of the BI server. See you in next video talking about controller managers, possibly scheduler. Okay.